Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market has been balancing in a very narrow range. We know that on the larger time frame, the buyers have been more dominant recently, but heading into the open, our short-term bias is going to continue to be neutral because the market's trading near the all-time high, and we know that in order to put in a continuation move and make fresh all-time highs, we would need to see broad market strength and some sustained upside momentum. And simply a lack of strength or a lack of upward momentum at the 07 to 09 quarter area would make it difficult to get a sustainable upward breakout. On the downside, we're going to be watching to see if the buyers can hold ES above the 2504.75 high volume node. As long as the buyers are holding ES above that area, there would still be potential to head higher, but again, we do need to see that broad market strength via a upward trending and positive advanced decline line and the tick holding above zero. In the event of a failure at initial resistance and a breakdown below the 0475 HVN, we could quite easily return to yesterday's RTH low of 2500 and test the support at 97 to 99. Since the bigger picture bias continues to be bullish, we can expect responsive buyers to be active at 97 to 99, and from there, in the event that we expand the range even lower, buyers are very likely to be active at 92 quarter to 94 quarter as well. So off the open, we will have to gauge the situation in real time to see whether we're seeing sufficient upward momentum and broad market strength in order for the market to put in a breakout continuation move beyond the 2507 to 2509 quarter. Beyond that area, there is no hard resistance. At that point, the market would be setting fresh all-time highs. But if we do get that upward breakout, and as long as we haven't really expanded the range to the downside, given the recent ranges, there would be potential to reach 17 to 19, but that's just an estimate. So we do have to assess the situation in real time. If we're seeing continued upward momentum, then perhaps we do get to 17 to 19. But at the same time, we have to remember that beyond 09 quarter, there is no hard resistance, so we do have to assess the situation in real time. If the market's heading higher, but then we start to notice a change in the momentum situation, or if we notice the market is just struggling at any particular price, it'll make sense to get out. So again, heading into the open, our short-term bias is neutral. We have to be open to the market moving in either direction, and the main question today is going to be whether we are seeing enough upward momentum and broad market strength to put in a sustainable breakout. In the event that we're seeing outright weakness and downside momentum off the open, then we will have to exercise caution at the 03 to 05 pre-market support. That is the most aggressive area of support. So in order for that area to work, we need to make sure that in real time, we're not seeing any major warning signs or a lot of downside momentum. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's see if the buy side can maintain this recent control, and we'll take it from there.